Hello everyone. In this video, the process of adding money from a debit card to a Venmo account will be explained. Before adding money, there are a couple of things that need to be in place. A debit card or bank account must already be connected to Venmo. Money can be added by tapping the profile icon down at the bottom right. After tapping that, recent activity in Venmo appears, but to continue the wallet button needs to be selected. Once inside the wallet section, the Venmo balance is displayed, and in this example, it shows $25.40. To add more money into the Venmo balance, the blue Manage button at the bottom right should be tapped. This opens a pop-up with two options, and the correct choice is the plus icon labeled Add Money. After choosing that, Venmo provides several ways to add funds. A bank debit card can be used, direct deposit can be set up, or a paper check can be cashed. For this walkthrough, the debit card option at the top is selected. The amount to add to the Venmo balance can then be entered, and only a small amount is used for demonstration. Once the amount is entered, the payment method should be verified, and in this example, the Visa debit card is selected correctly. When everything looks right, the blue Next button should be tapped. On the next screen, Venmo gives a summary to review. In this example, $1 is being added using the Visa debit card, and Venmo indicates that the funds should be available immediately. If all the details are correct, the green Add button at the bottom can be tapped to complete the transfer. After that, a confirmation appears showing the money has been added and the balance updates accordingly. The transaction is not being completed here since extra funds are not needed right now, but the process remains the same. And that's it. Thank you for watching.